Hello friends, today's my topic name is Introduction of .NET Framework. Today we will know about what is a .NET Framework. .NET is wonderful tool for creating web application, mobile application and Windows application. .NET Framework provide you to several languages inside it and C# is one of them. Previously, we will know about C#. What is a C#? Introduction of C#. .NET is a software framework which is designed and developed by Microsoft. .NET framework support more than 60 programming languages, in which programming languages are designed and developed by Microsoft. It is basically library or collection of libraries. Which 11 languages are designed and developed by Microsoft are C#.NET, J#.NET, VB.NET, C++.NET, F#.NET, JavaScript.NET, Windows PowerShell and many more, etc. Guys, today we will know many more languages are learned in IT industry. Basically, we will learn one by one programming languages for clear our coding skill and programming language skill. History of .NET Framework. .NET Framework was started by Microsoft in 1990s. The first version of .NET Framework 1.0 released in 2002, 13 Feb 2002. This version used for new WinForm, ADO.NET, ASP.NET. It is used in Visual Studio 2002. Then release 3.0 version. In this version, we will use WCF, WPF, WF, card space. This version used in Visual Studio 2008. This version released in 6 November 2006. Then generate 3.5 version. This version use LINQ to SQL XML objects for database connection. We will know about database, Ajax, REST, RSS. This version used in Visual Studio 2008. This version released in 6 November 2007. Then many more updates for 3.5 version. Then 4.0 version released in 12 April 2010. This version is used for parallel computing, dynamic, covariance, contravariance, and this version used in Visual Studio 2010 and month by month as per suitable many updates for 4.0. Then generate 4.5 version. This version released in 15 August 2012. This version used for Windows Store, portable class library, HTML5 support, asynchronous support. This version used in Visual Studio 2012. After this version, release 4.6 version. This version released in 20 July 2015. This version support for code encoding, open source .NET framework. This version used in Visual Studio 2015. After 4.6 version, release 4.7 version. This version released in 5 April 2017. This version used in highly compatible to previous version. This version used in Visual Studio 2017. After this version, many more updates available. Then this version released after 4.8 version is released. Currently 4.8.1 version is updated. 4.8 version is released in 18 April 2019. This version is used in Visual Studio 2019. In this diagram, we will show Mono 1.0. What is a Mono 1.0? Mono announced about .NET work, explore possibility on Mono, and many more methods and use which type of use .NET framework. We will know one by one all topics. .NET Standard is for sharing code. .NET Standard is a set of API that all .NET implementation must provide to conform to the standard. Web services can also be developed using the .NET framework. What is the API? Application Programming Interface. One by one, all thinking, we will know what is a web service, what is the API, what is a Mono, what is a LinkU, what is a WCF. All thinking we will know one by one. First, focus on what is a .NET framework. .NET framework is used in Windows application development, mobile application development, and also web application development. .NET Framework is a technology that supports building and running Windows application and web services also. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel for more updates and more videos.